Hello student, how are you? I am Arun sir, qualification Bachelor of Engineering from Jadavpur University. Today in this class, I will discuss you some important formula and problems of the vector. Welcome to my channel Tuition Expert. Now let's start some important formula and problems of the vectors. First formula, unit vector equal to vector divided by its magnitude. Very important formula. Any vector A. Vector means vector equal to its magnitude into direction. So a direction is denoted by the unit vector. This is magnitude and this is direction. The direction is denoted by the unit vector. Unit vector. So we know unit vector from that equal to vector by its magnitude. Okay, this is one formula. The problem is that find unit vector along the vector. Suppose this is one problem. So solution will be required unit vector is, suppose this is vector. So required unit vector is vector divided by its magnitude. Magnitude. So magnitude is root over 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So this is the answer. Now if we take the magnitude of this vector, then this becomes 1. First formula is, we know that a plus b equal to so maximum of a plus b becomes a plus b, because theta equal to 0 degree means it becomes maximum, and minimum of a plus b also a minus b when theta equal to 180 degree. So we can write a plus b less than equal to similarly a minus b also this, these are two formula. Next formula, formula 3, angle between two vectors a and b is given by cos theta equal to a dot b by mod a mod b. So to find the angle between two vectors, we use this formula. Suppose find the angle between the vectors I plus j and I minus j. Angle between these, and solution will be this. So cos theta equal to, this is vector A. Suppose this is vector A and this is vector B. So cos theta equal to A dot B by mod A mod B is equal to this dot this I dot I, 1 into 1 minus I dot j 0 plus j dot I 0 minus j dot j 1 divided mod A equal to root 2 mod B equal to root 1 square plus 1 square, coefficient 1 1. So mod A equal to root 2 mod B equal to root 2, that is 1 minus 1 0 0. So theta equal to 90 degree. This is the answer. So to find the angle between two vectors, we use the formula this, fourth formula. If unit vector then equal to 1, because we know unit vector means magnitude is unity, so the magnitude of this equal to this, so unity. Problem: find the value of A for which this is the problem. Formula this, and the problem related to that formula is this. So solution becomes, as this is a unit vector, this is a unit vector, so magnitude of becomes unity, so that becomes equal to 1 from the between squaring both sides, then so A equal to, simplify this, so A equal to root over this, plus minus root over this, A equal to plus minus root over this. You simplify this, this is the result. Next formula, formula 5, the unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and B is, this is the answer. The unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B, the unit vector which is perpendicular to both vector A and B is this. This is the result, because we know the unit vector which is perpendicular to both vector A and B is this, because suppose this is a vector A and this is a vector B, so A and B lie in this plane. So what is the direction of A cross B? A cross B along this, so A cross B is perpendicular to both A and both B. A cross B, AB lie in the same plane, so A cross B is normal to the plane. So any line normal to the, any line, the normal is perpendicular to any line of this plane. So this is perpendicular to A and also perpendicular to B. Now you are asked the unit vector. So unit vector, we know unit vector equal to vector divided by its magnitude. So now this unit vector is perpendicular to both A and both B. So first we find A cross B and divide it by its magnitude, we get the unit vector, required unit vector. Problem is problem related that find unit vector which is perpendicular to both vector. Find the unit vector which is perpendicular to both vector this and this. So answer is divided by its magnitude. So first find the cross product of the two vector. You know how to find the cross product? IJK 2 3 1 1 minus 2 2. So this becomes this minus 1 minus this delta. Let's say 1 minus 4. Answer becomes divided by its magnitude. Magnitude is 8 square, 3 square plus 7 square. So this is the answer. If you take the magnitude of this value, then this becomes unity. Projection of any vector projection of any vector A along other vector B is, suppose this is vector A and this is vector B. Projection of A along vector B, that is this is the projection A cos theta. Now A cos theta becomes this. This is the result. Now if you ask that position vector, then B is into unit vector of B, which is this. This is the answer. Triangle of two sides A and B given. Two sides A and B are given. Area of triangle becomes half A cross B, half magnitude of A cross B, and area of parallelogram of sides A and B becomes A cross B, and area of parallelogram of whose diagonals are D1 and D2. Suppose two diagonals are given. Area of parallelogram will be this. If two sides, next formula, if two sides are A and B of a parallelogram, then the two diagonal are A plus B and B minus C. Suppose this is A and this is B. If you construct the parallelogram, then this diagonal becomes A plus B, and this diagonal by triangle law we get this, and this diagonal becomes B minus C. Next formula, volume of cuboid of sides A, B, C are each A dot B cross C, which is equal to if G vectors is in the form the condition of coplanarity is this determinant. If this determinant is D, condition of coplanarity of A, B, C is D equal to 0. Next one, if are co-linear or parallel vectors, then this is another formula. If these and these are collinear or parallel vectors, then this by this equal to this. A1 by A2 equal to this. A1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Suppose AB and AC are two sides. AB and AC are two sides, and D is midpoint of the triangle. D is the midpoint of the side BC. Now this becomes AB plus AC equal to twice of AD if D is midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of the side BC, then AB plus AC equal to twice AD. How to prove? Draw this line. Now this side equal to this side, so BD and DC will be same. Now from the triangle ABD, we get AB plus BD. AB plus BD same order. AB and BD same order. AD opposite order. So this equal to this, and from triangle SDC AD plus DC equal to AC, because AD and DC are in same order and AC in opposite order. So from one we get BD. BD vector equal to AD minus AB, and from two relation DC equal to AC minus AD. So from one and now BD equal to DC. Now BD equal to DC. BD and DC equal. Now BD equal to DC. So this equal to this. So AB plus AC. So from that we get result AB plus AC equal to twice of AD. This is problem related to that problem, to that formula. Problems related to that formula. Suppose two vectors two vectors these and these two vectors these and these represents the sides of AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC and the length of the median through A. So here A, B and AC. AB is J plus I and AC is and midpoint median and the median through the point. Suppose this. So from the result we get AD equal to half of AB plus AC. This is C point. So that is half of AB J plus I. AC is which is equal to J cancel 4I plus 4K. So AD vector is this. So magnitude of AD equal to is the answer. Suppose derivative of this becomes du by dx dot v plus u dot dv by dx. This is the formula. And if what u and v are obviously two function of x, next u cross v. So order of cross must be maintained. First cross v plus dv by dx. Here order must be strictly maintained. You can write here it is first, it is second, but here order must maintain same. Order must be maintained strictly. First u derivative plus v plus u